Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super fun DIY activity with our kids soap making kit. This is not just fun but also a great way for kids to learn creativity, colors and basic crafting skills. And the best part, it's completely safe when done with adult supervision. So guys, let's open the box and see what's inside. We have a soap base, colorful dyes and fragrance oil, cute mold, mixing tools. Everything is neatly packed, so you don't need to buy anything extra. Kids get super excited just by looking at these bright colors and fun shapes. Quick tips: since we will be melting the soap base, making sure an adult is around to help. Safety first, fun always. First, we cut the soap base into small pieces. This helped it melt faster and more evenly. Now we melt the soap base using a microwave or double boiler method. Look how it turned into a smooth liquid, so satisfying to watch. Now comes the most fun part, adding colors. Let's add a few drops of and mix it well. Wow, look at this vibrant color. Now a few drops of fragrance. This smells so good. You can even mix color to create your own unique shades. Careful pour and mixture into these cute mold, star, heart and animals. Kids absolutely love this step because they can choose their favorite shapes. Now we wait for it to cool and harden. This takes some time, but trust me, it's worth the wait. And here it is, our homemade soap is ready. So colorful, so pretty and made it with love by kids. This activity helps improve creativity, motor skills and keeps kids engaged in a productive way. Plus they feel so proud using something they made themselves. If you are looking for a fun and meaningful activity for your kids, definitely try this soap making kit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for follow for more fun ideas. If you want to purchase this product, then the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, thank you for watching my video.